Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Today I'm just picking some banana pepper. This is so much on this one tree. I'm telling you, I picked so much already, you wouldn't believe. One tree is giving you so much. Watch. You see how much I already picked? Only pepper I'm picking today. Yes, it's so much. Look this limb over here. Look how much over there. You see? When you take care of your plant, you ain't got to worry about harvest time. You know for sure you go in and harvest. Okay, so you now see me harvest some banana pepper. Almost full up the bucket. Off of basically 2 trees. So thanks for watching. Please